Hi.
So hi, welcome to the VIP room, the second part of our BOE booth tour. So where do we start? Let's get glassed up.
Nice.
Our latest 3D installation, crosstalk, diminished to almost zero, color quality, performance quality, the highest that is currently on the market.
Nice. So this is the highest with glasses performance
That is currently available, yes.
I'm checking it out right now. The molecules are jumping up at me. Whoa, I'm seeing the Earth in like such a high quality right now. It's just
Yes.
popping out.
It's popping out and no crosstalk, as mentioned. It's clear, no blur, so quite amazing.
Nice. So yeah, BOE does amazing glasses-free 3D and
Absolutely.
glasses with glasses 3D also.
I mean, you already have seen the glasses free, but here we have another sample of that. So you can take another look. Also with eye tracking, one person to see, one person to follow.
Wow, that's the impressive display.
Then for consumer displays, where can we still get better? So here you can see very, very thin borders. Here, we're talking about this bezel here. 3 sides, basically borderless, except for the cuff side.
Wow.
Then here we have an ultra slim PC, so you would have to film from the side. I would say that's 0.5 centimeter only.
The whole laptop.
Yes. And this one is just about 475 grams. So we also want to have practicality. We want to have practicable products. We want to have light products. We want to have easy to handle products. So
Nice.
of course, this is also some directions we want to go. And here you have other samples of our BOE ultra low motion blur.
So it's tri-mode. It says
5K resolution, very high frame rate, again 144, 120, and the low motion blur technology. All quite nice. Then on this side, so as mentioned, we want to be practical. What we want to have is a smart door opener, maybe also
Nice.
a cute door opener. So they see you, and then
nice.
you can open the door.
Wow. That's cool. Maybe the smart face will say, you can leave the food in front of the door. Thank you very much.
But in
or-
Chinese.
Yeah. Oh, it can recognize. It can translate
Absolutely.
every language.
Then we just have different applications. Here's a square one for home appliance. And here we have the round one, also for home appliance. So all with a touch, all with in-cell touch. So it of course has to be included. Then this is the smallest OLED display that we have. It's a 0.8 inch.
It's on a vapor.
Yes, it is.
Nice. So it shows on the display how much vape is left. Let's see this one.
Yeah, so here you might remember the Olympics where they showed the robots. So with this technology, we have a flexible OLED inside where you can actually imitate the faces. So this is what this is about.
So this could be a robot's face
Yes,
with a display.
absolutely. Here we have a 3D printer. This is actually a mono OLED display. And through the black parts of this display, you can have the print done so that it knows where it's black. It's not going to be printed where it's light. It will be printed. So you can have the different application like that. Curved display, 55-inch, 4K. RGBW, 55-inch, 4,500 nits. Of course, it does not show that now. Otherwise your eyes would burn out, and we don't want that, right?
Yeah, that would definitely give experience to be in the mountain. Nice.
Then,
Yeah, then?
one of our POS systems, it's getting nicer and nicer, right? Bigger and bigger. This is fun. So, as you can see, this display lives in the water. It's a diving watch with an AMOLED display, 3.26 inch, and it works just fine, as you can see.
Nice, and you can even still touch and everything?
Yep.
Even on
Up
the
to
water,
20
maybe.
bar, 20 bar. So here, this is, let's say for a niche hobby or not so niche hobby. Here we have a display integrated in a so-called fish finder, which can also work underwater and find the fish for you, so you know where to fish.
So
Well-
then the fish can watch TV, or what is for? No, you can find the fish. Because it lights up the dark
Yep.
deep depth
Yes,
from
exactly.
an LED.
You see them, and then you get easier catching them.
Ooh, S-Win. This is a in-vehicle display,
Exactly.
so you can have the side mirror replaced by camera.
Yep, that's what this is about. And here we have a camera inside the display.
Where are you? Up there, in the green part. Mm-hmm. Nice. In the blue part. Nice. I'm there. Cool. So I can check if I'm still looking at the road.
Exactly. And here we have another comparison, again, of an ultra black cell versus a normal LCD or normal LCD TFT display. So the ultra black cell here on this side enhances the contrast. I think especially here it is visible very well. Contrast and color enhancement.
Nice. Here we have.
This will adjust to you actually, to your size.
Oh, it's moving. The screen is getting bigger, or it's going up and down. Oh,
Yes.
it's moving.
Yes, it's
moving the
adjusting to
display.
your size, indeed. Yes.
It's coming exactly in front of me. Oh, nice.
Well, that's what you want if you sit down somewhere. You cannot change your height. This one can change.
This is one way to get pretty much like a cinema experience in the backseat of a car.
Yep.
That's gonna be. That's
So
gonna
this
be
is a
cool.
projected display as well. Then, OLED display, superb color, superb performance,
It's great for the cars of the future.
amazing black.
Because you also want to do at least 1,000 nits, so it
Yep.
works in sunny conditions.
Absolutely important in a car. So, and here we have a comparison of the power consumption between RGBW and RGB. So this is getting technical again because RGBW has the advantage that you can save around 20% of power. However, the color saturation is not as good as a normal RGB panel. So if you go one picture further, I think it gets quite obvious. And here you have more color depth, here you have less.
Nice. I can
It's
see
just a
difference.
trade-off. It's a trade-off, what you want and what you need. If you need less power consumption, then you need RGBW. If you want to
want
have
more
better
brightness.
picture, yeah, then RGB. You saw that one already downstairs, so.
Yeah. Nice.
So, and here we have again flexible AMOLED displays. So depending on where they are built in.
So it's just a little thing that could be on a.
Airplane seats. Yep.
But appreciate
Nice.
it. We're auto.
So, of course, what's good is inside those displays. They have to be sturdy, pass the vibration test, everything. So, what you see
Nice.
here is not just a simple display.
And maybe kids like hitting the display should be
Oh,
fine.
yes. Oh,
Yeah.
yes, unfortunately. Then, square type aviation display. I think what you see here, this is not slim, this is not elegant, this is sturdy. Yeah? This is thick, this is sturdy, this is as it has to be.
2K
right?
by 2K.
Yeah.
Nice. So you can. The people that they work all day with this, they do the flight tracking and they need to see exactly where it is.
Yep.
You need to be able to read very clearly
Yep,
all the
absolutely.
different airplanes. Right.
So these are all about pressure, and then you have the small pressure sensor in this watch, which can actually measure your blood pressure.
Nice. It pumps on the wrist
Yes.
here,
Yes.
and then
And then you see whether you're healthy today or rather not.
Nice.
And of course, we hope you are.
Yeah. All right.
All right,
So
then that concludes.
a lot of fun stuff here too.
Yes.
And what do you say on the wall here? Define the future. Wonderful tech.
Wonderful life. Absolutely. So again, thank you for coming with us at our BOE journey. And we hope that you liked it. So with BOE, I think you get to know that we strive to develop further in every area. You saw OLED. You saw different liquid crystal technologies, oxide, LTPS. You have seen the flexible, foldable OLED. You have seen the sensors. You have seen AI integrated with all kinds of displays. You've seen e-paper. So you have seen eye health technology, UV cell. So honestly, what more do you want, huh?
But you were mentioning before that there's different events you go to
Yeah.
that have different kind of like targeted markets.
Yes.
So there's more stuff happening throughout the year, right?
Absolutely. So
And there's even the BOE events once a year.
there's even the BOE events. So maybe, and I hope so, that we will see you there again.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.